In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where private browsing is missing from your iPhone. So you can see right now that I'm on a Safari browser, and if I try to open up a new tab, there's no option for incognito or private browsing. Now, this is due to the restrictions on your iPhone. So to go and fix this, it's really easy. We just need to open up the settings on your phone. You can then scroll down to screen time and click on this. Then scroll down to content and privacy restrictions, and then select App Store, Media, Web, and Games. You can then select Web Content, and you need to change this to unrestricted. You can then close out of this window, and what you'll need to do is go and open up Safari, and then you'll just need to force close the application by swiping upwards like so, and then you can swipe upwards on Safari to force close it. Now, if we go and reopen the app, if I go and create a new tab, you can see we now have the option for private browsing. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.